At 67, Margaret couldn't walk up a flight of stairs without holding the railing with both hands. 6 weeks later, she hiked 3 miles with her grandchildren. What changed? If you're over 60 and struggling with balance, hip pain, or simple movements like standing up from a chair, your glutes are likely the hidden culprit. I'm Alex, and if this is your first time here, this channel is dedicated to helping people over 60 build strength, mobility, and confidence through safe, effective exercises. And if you find today's exercises helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people like you discover this content. Now, let's talk about why strong glutes matter more after 60 than at any other age. Here's something most people don't realize. Your glutes are the largest and most powerful muscle group in your entire body. Your glutes are responsible for keeping you upright, stabilizing your pelvis, protecting your lower back, and powering every step you take. But here's the problem. After age 60, we can lose up to 8% of our muscle mass per decade if we don't actively maintain it. And because most of us spend hours sitting every day, and that frustrating difficulty getting up from low chairs or the toilet. Sound familiar? The good news? Your muscles have an incredible ability to rebuild at any age. 70s. You'll need a sturdy chair and, optionally, a resistance band. That's it. Exercise 1. Glute bridges. Exercise number 1 is the glute bridge, and this is the foundation of all glute training for seniors. Your feet should be close enough that you can almost touch your heels with your fingertips. The key here is to avoid arching your lower back. Think about creating a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Start with 10 repetitions for 2 sets. As this becomes easier, hold the top position for 3 to 5 seconds. This exercise alone can dramatically improve your ability to stand up from a seated position. Exercise 2. Chair squats. Exercise 2 is the chair squat, which mimics one of the most important movements in daily life. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower yourself down as if you're going to sit, but stop just before you touch the seat. Then stand back up using your legs and glutes, not by pushing off with your hands. Keep your chest proud, your weight in your heels, and your knees tracking over your toes, never letting them cave inward. If this is too challenging at first, actually sit down and stand back up. That's still building strength. Perform 8 to 12 repetitions for 2 sets. This exercise strengthens your glutes while improving the exact movement pattern you use dozens of times every day. Exercise 3. Standing hip abduction. Exercise 3 targets the side glutes, which are crucial for balance and preventing falls. Stand beside your chair, holding it for balance, keeping your legs straight and your toes pointing forward. Lift your outside leg out to the side about 12 to 18 inches. Don't lean away, keep your torso upright. Lower with control and repeat for 12 repetitions on each side, performing 2 sets. If you have a resistance band, place it around your thighs just above your knees for added challenge. This exercise directly improves your stability while walking and dramatically reduces your fall risk. Exercise 4. Step-ups. Exercise 4 is the step-up, which builds real-world strength for stairs and curbs. Using a stable step about 4 to 6 inches high, or even a thick book if needed, step up with one foot, driving through your heel to lift your body. Bring your other foot up to meet it. Then step back down with control. The crucial point here is to use the leg on the step to lift yourself, not to push off with your back leg. Complete 8 to 10 repetitions on each leg for 2 sets. This exercise specifically trains the glutes for the stair climbing movement that becomes so challenging as we age. And don't let the funny name fool you, this is incredibly effective. Lie on your side with your knees bent at 90 degrees, your feet together, and your head resting on your arm. Keeping your feet touching, lift your top knee as high as comfortable, then lower with control. Perform 15 repetitions on each side for 2 sets. Add a resistance band around your thighs for extra intensity. This targets the gluteus medius, which is often the weakest part of the glute complex in older adults. Here's how to put this together. Perform these 5 exercises 3 times per week with at least 1 rest day between sessions. Your muscles need that recovery time to grow stronger. Start conservatively. You should feel challenged but not in pain. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you'll notice it's easier to get up from chairs. Within 4 to 6 weeks, your balance and confidence will improve noticeably. And like Margaret from the beginning of this video, within 6 to 8 weeks, you'll be doing activities you thought were behind you. Remember, building stronger glutes after 60 isn't about vanity, it's about independence, safety, and quality of life. These 5 exercises can help you stay active, reduce pain, and maintain your freedom to do the things you love. Subscribe to this channel for more senior-specific fitness content. And check out the video I'm linking above where I show you how to eliminate knee pain in just 5 minutes a day. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these exercises you're going to start with, or if you have questions about modifications. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, age is just a number, but strength is a choice. I'll see you in the next video.